Hello students, in our channel Maths in Mind, today we will discuss some important formula of mensuration. Okay, আজকে আমরা পরিমিতির বেশ কিছু প্রয়োজনীয় ফর্মুলা সম্পর্কে আলোচনা করব. Okay, now we can start. So at first we start from triangle. Okay. Triangle, area of a triangle and perimeter of a triangle. Perimeter of a triangle means the sum of the sides of the triangle. Okay, if the three sides are 4, 5 and 6, then we can add these sides and this is the perimeter of the triangle. Now area of the triangle, there are two formulas. First is half into base into height. Okay, and the next one is root over of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. What is s? Where s is the a plus b plus c, a plus b plus c, a, b and c are the sides of the triangle, and by 2 means the half of the perimeter is s. Okay, half of the perimeter is s, and a, b and c, a, b, c are the sides of the triangle. Okay, and also you can use the unit as square unit, means square meter, square centimeter. Okay, these are the two formulas. Now equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle means সমবাহু ত্রিভুজ. Okay, the formula of height is root 3 by 2 into one side. So the three sides are same. Okay, so 3 by 2 into one side, and area is root 3 by 4 into side square. তার মানে উচ্চতা হচ্ছে রুট 3 by 2 ইন্টু বাহু, আর এরিয়া মানে ক্ষেত্রফল হচ্ছে রুট 3 by 4 ইন্টু বাহু স্কোয়ার. ওকে, নাও right angle triangle. Right angle triangle, it means সমকোণী ত্রিভুজ. ঠিক আছে, সমকোণী ত্রিভুজ. সমকোণী ত্রিভুজের কী কী আছে? এরিয়া. So area is equal to half into base into height. This is the picture of a right angle triangle. AB is the perpendicular, BC is the base, and AC is the hypotenuse. AB is the perpendicular means lombo, BC is the base means bhumi, and AC is the hypotenuse means otibhuj, the opposite side of the angle of 90 degree. Okay, now hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. Okay, it means AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. It is the theorem of Pythagoras. এটা তোমাদের পিথাগোরাসের উপপাদ্য, ঠিক আছে? ওকে, now the side opposite to the angle 30 degree is equal to half into hypotenuse, okay, and side opposite to the angle 60 degree is equal to root 3/2 into hypotenuse. These are the formulas of right angle triangle. Now we can proceed. Circle, it means britto. So regarding circle, area of the circle is pi r square, where r is radius. This is a circle, this is the radius, this is the diameter, and whole this line is perimeter. Okay, means circumference. So area pi r square, pi means 22/7. So ক্ষেত্রফল মানে হচ্ছে পাই আর স্কোয়ার, আর মানে হচ্ছে তোমাদের ব্যাসার্ধ, পাই হচ্ছে 22-এর সাথে। নাও সার্কামফারেন্স, circumference is equal to 2 pi r. Area is square unit. All of the areas are square units, and circumference is just unit. Circumference means পরিধি is equal to 2 pi r. তোমাদের ঠিক আছে, সব জায়গাতে খেয়াল রাখবে যে ক্ষেত্রফল সবসময় স্কোয়ার ইউনিট হয়, মানে বর্গ সেন্টিমিটার, বর্গ মিটার যাই হোক, আর বাদবাকি এগুলো হবে হচ্ছে অনলি ইউনিট। নাও সেমি সার্কেল, semicircle means অর্ধবৃত্ত, ঠিক আছে? So area of the semicircle is, at first we can draw, this is a semicircle, half of a circle. Okay, area is equal to half into pi r square. Half area of a circle is pi r square. Now area of a semicircle is half of pi r square. Okay, perimeter, perimeter means circumference is 2 pi r, so half of the circumference is pi r, and this is the diameter means 2r, so pi r plus 2r, it means r and 2 pi plus 2. Okay, sector area. It is very important thing. Sector area. Sector area means theta by 360 degree into pi r square. Okay. Length of the arc. সেক্টর এরিয়া মানে হচ্ছে তোমাদের বৃত্তচাপের ক্ষেত্রফল, ঠিক আছে। থিটা ইজ দ্য অ্যাঙ্গেল, থিটা হচ্ছে যে কোণটা ওখানে বলে দেবে সেটা। নাও লেংথ অফ দ্য আর্ক, আর্ক মিন্স চাপ, বৃত্তচাপের যে দৈর্ঘ্য হবে সেটা। দিস ইজ theta by 360 degree into 2 pi r. Okay, and area of the ring area, ring area means okay, now this is capital R and the small one is smaller. Radius of the bigger circle is capital R and the smaller circle is smaller. Then ring area is pi into capital R square minus pi into smaller r square. We can take pi from both of these. Now pi into capital R square minus small r square. Okay. Area means square unit, perimeter means unit, sector area again it is area, so square unit, length of the arc means চাপ, এটা সব সময় নেবে ইউনিট। দিস ইজ রিং এরিয়া মিন্স হচ্ছে বলা আকৃতি ক্ষেত্রের ক্ষেত্রফল। দিস ইজ স্কোয়ার unit. Okay, now we can proceed for rectangle. Now rectangle, it means আয়তক্ষেত্র। So area of the rectangle is length into breadth. If this is a rectangle, ABCD is a rectangle, length is equal to AB is equal to DC. AB and DC both are length, and breadth AD and BC both are breadth. Okay, this is the area formula of area of a rectangle, length into breadth. Now perimeter is equal to 2 into length plus breadth, and diagonal is equal to root over of length square plus breadth square. মানে এটা হচ্ছে তোমাদের আয়তক্ষেত্রের ক্ষেত্রফল হচ্ছে দৈর্ঘ্য গুণ প্রস্থ। এবি আর ডিসি দুটোই দৈর্ঘ্য, আর এডি আর বিসি দুটোই হচ্ছে প্রস্থ। তাহলে এটা হচ্ছে ক্ষেত্রফল দৈর্ঘ্য গুণ প্রস্থ। পেরিমিটার মানে হচ্ছে তোমাদের পরিসীমা হচ্ছে 2 গুণ দৈর্ঘ্য যোগ প্রস্থ। আর ডায়াগোনাল মিন্স হচ্ছে কর্ণ, কর্ণ কি? কর্ণ হচ্ছে তোমাদের রুট ওভার অফ দৈর্ঘ্য স্কোয়ার প্লাস প্রস্থ স্কোয়ার। ঠিক আছে, নাও স্কোয়ার। স্কোয়ার ইজ বর্গক্ষেত্র। This is a square PQRS where all the sides are equal. PQ is equal to QR is equal to RS is equal to SP. All the sides are equal, okay, and the angles are 90 degree. Now area is equal to side whole square. Each of the sides are equal, so side square. Perimeter is 4 into 1 side. Diagonal, it means কর্ণ, root 2 into 1 side. মানে বর্গক্ষেত্রের ক্ষেত্রফল হচ্ছে বাহু, চারটে বাহুই সমান, তাহলে বাহু স্কোয়ার। পেরিমিটার মিনস হচ্ছে তোমাদের পরিসীমা হচ্ছে 4 গুণ একটি বাহুর দৈর্ঘ্য। আর ডায়াগোনাল কর্ণ হচ্ছে রুট 2 গুণ যে কোনো একটা বাহু, সব বাহুগুলোই সমান, সেই জন্য যে কোনো একটা বাহু। ওকে, রম্বাস। রম্বস, ঠিক আছে। This is the picture of a rhombus. Both of the sides are equal. All the sides are equal, but none of the angles are 90 degree, and the diagonals are intersect, and the angles they made are 90 degree. When the diagonals are intersect, the angles they made all are 90 degree. Okay, it means MNOP. If we give the name, MN is equal to NO is equal to OP is equal to PM. Okay, now area of the rhombus. Area of the rhombus is equal to half into product of the diagonals. Diagonals, we can say it D1 and D2, diagonal 1 and diagonal 2. Okay, another formula is side into height. What is the height? Perpendicular of this. Okay, perpendicular from M to PO. This is the height. Okay, side into height is equal to area. Another side is equal to, what is the formula of the side? Side is equal to D1 by 2 whole square into plus D2 by 2 whole square. Okay, keep in mind always diagonals of rhombus bisects each other at right angle. Okay, These are the formulas of rhombus. Now parallelogram. সমান্তরিক, A B C D. Here is AB is equal to DC. The opposite sides are equal, and AD is equal to BC, but none of the angles is 90 degree. Okay. Now area is base into height. Area is base into height. Okay. Again, height is this straight line from A to the point of DC. A point is P up to DC, and A to P is the height of the parallelogram. Okay. Now trapezium. What is trapezium? In a quadrilateral, when the two opposite sides are parallel but the other two opposite sides are not parallel, like this, MNPQ. Here MN parallel QP, MN and QP are parallel, but MQ is not parallel with NP. So this is a trapezium. Okay, now area of the trapezium is half into sum of the parallel sides, sum of the parallel sides, and now into distance between them. This is the distance between the parallel sides. Distance between them. So half into, this means half into MN plus QP into distance between them means M. Okay. Perimeter is equal to sum of all sides. Sum of all sides. There is another formula. Okay. All of the four walls of area of the four walls of a room. What is the formula? 2 into length plus breadth. It is the perimeter of the rectangle. It is the formula. And now we can multiply it to height. This is the formula of the area of the four walls of a room is 2 into length plus breadth into height. Okay. These all the formulas you can use in your mensuration. তোমরা পরিমিতিতে এই সব ফর্মুলাগুলো ইউজ করতে পারো। So it is enough for today. We will more discuss in our next videos. If you like this video, then like, comment and share it, and subscribe it also to get more videos as soon as possible. Okay, thank you.